Hey, what's up? Good evening. Today we're going to the Nepal Dhara Waterfall, which is at Pilingkat or around Khanapara. So this is the main point, traffic point of the veterinary field, and behind us is the Guwahati Metro Hospital and Health City Hospital. So what I'm going to do is like take this first left from here. There's the Metro Hospital. We take this left and go towards Pilingkata. Putting my camera on the helmet and I'll keep you showing the way. See ya. Bye. Take the right. As we come to this junction, one road goes straight and one to the left. So if you go straight, we can go to Pilingkata, I mean towards Bokhisto, but we're going to take the left. This is the way. We have to keep taking this way straight. Wow! So once you reach this point, you have to take the left. So don't take this way, take the left way and you go towards the hill out there. Keep going straight. Don't check any bylines, just keep going straight from this road. We have to climb that hill up there. So this is Dreamland, the back of Dreamland. From this point we have to go pretty up, straight up, and it's not that easy. We have done it quite a few times before, but it takes some hard work. Rubul, ready? Excited. So we've gone up there so many times, like 4 or 5 times, but we have never been Nepal. So for Nepal, we have to go from that side towards up there. So first we'll climb this very steep part. From there we take the right. Through that path we go up, up, up and up. Whoa! Get ready for the climb. Look out. Gear change. far away. I think he got stuck halfway. He's gonna attempt again. So we just had food like half an hour back, or maybe 15-20 minutes back. Oh shit. So his chain got off, so we had to get down and went back down. Alright, so from here we could take the right. That man usually climbing there. So take the right and go that side. How is it? That sun is coming up now. Shit. I mean, it's good for us. We're almost there. Maybe, I don't know. We don't know how far is it, right? Okay, so you're gonna go there and take the right. So from this point, if you take the left, it goes to Khanapara. And if you take the right, we go to the Dhara waterfall. So we came all the way from there, uphill, there's up, then we came to the right, this way. I had to go straight. I don't know where exactly, maybe somewhere there or maybe there. That's Guwahati, this is Khanapara, there comes Rubul. Okay, let's keep going. So this is one crazy high hill up, so we have to be careful. I shifted my gears. I'll put my suspension on lock and put my gears on maybe 1x2 or 1x1. Go straight down now. So from this point there are two roads, one to the right that goes up here and to the left that goes down, so we have to take the left. Let's go, Rubul.